Imagine this: you pack your bags, step on a plane, and by the time you land, you are not just a visitor. You are stepping into a brand new life with a job waiting, your visa sorted, and even relocation assistance already in place. Most people dream of leaving behind low-paying jobs or endless visa rejections, but only a handful ever discover opportunities like this. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly where to apply, how the process works, and the verified site where thousands of international workers have already started their new journey. Let's be honest, so many of us have faced the same cycle, working long hours for little pay, dreaming about relocating abroad, but hitting the same walls. Employers who don't sponsor visas, agencies asking for money upfront, confusing applications that lead nowhere. If that's been your story, I get it, and I want you to listen closely because today's opportunity is not just another job posting. This one is different. This one is structured to support people like you, whether you are from Africa, Asia, the Middle East, or anywhere else looking to start fresh in the new country. And here is something I will reveal at the very end: the official site where you can submit your application directly, without middlemen, without scams, and without paying a cent upfront. So don't click away. You will want to see this. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, I'm glad you found me. My name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you are already existing subscriber, you know how we do it here. Legit links, verified info. So share this video to reach as many as possible. Share it to that WhatsApp group. You don't know who this video might find helpful, okay? Across the world, countries are opening their doors because they desperately need workers. One country in particular, known for its peaceful lifestyle, clean environment, and high quality of life, is struggling to fill critical roles. The locals alone cannot meet the demand. From farming to constructions, from logistics to healthcare, there simply aren't enough people available. And that's where you come in. Yes, you listening to this video right now. This government knows it cannot survive without international workers. So they've introduced streamlined visas, they've partnered with employers, and they've allowed a select few recruitment agencies to connect overseas talent directly with accredited employers. That means if you are watching this video right now and you've always dreamed of starting fresh in a safe and opportunity-filled country, this could be your moment. So, what kind of opportunities are we talking about? We are looking at jobs that fall under one of the most in-demand categories worldwide: caregiving and healthcare assistance. These are not just jobs, they are pathways to permanent relocation. Why? Because countries with aging populations are desperate for workers who can provide compassionate care. That means visa sponsorship is often included. Employers may help with relocation costs. Training is provided for many roles, even if you are not already experienced. Now picture this: you arrive in a safe, beautiful country where your accommodation is affordable, your visa is handled by your employer, and your pay actually allows you to save money every month. That's not just a dream, it's exactly what's happening for those who land these roles. And while others are stuck applying endlessly without hearing back, you will know exactly which door to knock on because I'll reveal this later in this video. If you are still watching, drop a comment saying I'm ready, because I want to see how many of you are serious about changing your life. So, how do you actually qualify? Let's break it down step by step. Age-wise, Many employers accept applicants from 18 all the way up to 55 years old, sometimes even older if you are fit and healthy. Experience. Don't panic. If you don't have years of professional healthcare experience, for many caregiving roles, personal experience like caring for a family member counts. Employers are looking for dedication, compassion, and willingness to learn. Language. Basic English is required. You don't need to be perfect, but being able to communicate effectively is key, okay? Then the visa process. Here's the beauty of it. You don't have to navigate it alone. Employers here actively sponsor work visas, meaning they will guide you step by step. And the application process, it's surprisingly simple. This is what you do. Step 1, submit your CV and basic details. 2, attend an online or phone interview. 3, get matched to a job suited to your background. 4, if successful, your employer sponsors your visa and guides your relocation. Now, doesn't that sound a whole lot easier than applying randomly online and never hearing back? But I know you're probably asking right now, is this really legit? Yes, the organization I'll review later is fully recognized, trusted, and has successfully placed international workers abroad. Do I need to pay money upfront? No, you don't. Your role is to apply, attend the interview, and follow the process. No shady fees, no middleman. What if I don't have experience? Then this might actually be the perfect job for you. Many of these roles only require your commitment to care for people, and training is provided. Am I too old? Like I said before, not at all. Employers are looking for reliability, compassion, and willingness to learn, not just your age. So if you've been doubting yourself, let this be your sign. Think about it. In just a few months, you could go from endless rejection letters to stepping off a plane with a job contract, a visa in your hand, and your new life waiting for you. But here's the twist. Very few people will actually take this step. Most people will watch, nod their head, and then do nothing. The question is, will you be one of the few who act now? Because in a moment, I'm going to reveal the exact organization making this possible and the verified application link where you can start today. On this channel, that's what I know how to do best. Give you verified links, right? No gatekeeping. Alright, I know you've been patient enough. So here is it. The agency behind this rare opportunity is called Greenstone Recruitment, a trusted organization in New Zealand that helps international candidates secure caregiving and healthcare assistant roles with visa sponsorship. They work directly with employers, which means your application actually gets seen by the right people. I'll be putting the verified link directly in my description, also in my pinned comment, alright? No middlemen, no fake job ads, just a straight path to relocation. And bestie, before you rush off, don't forget, join my channel membership for insider tips and updates, okay? Link below. Comment below, I am ready if you are very serious. And share this video with someone who has been dreaming of moving abroad. Your new beginning might just be one click away. Don't wait until it's too late. Opportunities like this don't stay open forever, okay? If you have been around this channel, I have a caregiver certificate you can do for free. Check our WhatsApp channel for that, okay? You can use it and apply. As far as you're going into the healthcare industry, you can use it to apply worldwide, okay? So ensure you have a care certificate. That will boost your chances, okay? If you want interview prep or one-on-one, then join my membership. Those are the little things I do inside my membership, okay? Until next time, I am rooting for you. Jesus loves you, and I really do love you too. Bye for now. Video coming up on Monday. You don't want to miss that video. Yes, it's UK based video. You have to turn on your bell icon. Monday 7 p.m. UK time.
Until next time, Jesus loves you and I really do love you too, and I'm rooting for you as always. Bye for now.